Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, Jimwell Tech Duo. So last time nag-review tayo ng entry-level na smartphone ng Vivo which is the Y01. Pero this time we're going to level up dahil ang re-review naman natin is yung high-end na mid-range phone ng Samsung which is the Galaxy A73 5G. So as you can see guys, ito na yung Galaxy A73 5G. So let's get to it. Yan, box na natin to. So ito na guys yung box ng Galaxy A73 5G, and kung makikita nyo is very slim kasi tinanggal na ng Samsung yung charger sa loob ng box. Hindi na sila nagpo-provide ngayon ng separate charger. So inside the box guys, makikita na natin yung mismong unit. So yun siya. And then we also have the ejection pin. And then meron din tayong paperworks about Samsung Care. Then inside dun sa may box ng ejection pin, we also have some paperworks. Pero this one is the quick start guide. Then another thing that's inside it is yung cable. So that's everything guys. So kung mapapansin nyo, wala na tayo nung adapter. Kaya naging mas slim na compared to the previous boxes ng Samsung, yung current box nila ngayon. So ito yung itsura ng A73. So ang pinili namin color guys is yung Awesome Mint. So medyo light green yung color niya. Pero there are also other variants which is the gray and the white. So ito guys yung plastic protector ng A73. So makikita natin dito yung some of specifications ng phone na to. So super smooth display na siya, and for this unit it's actually Super AMOLED Plus yung display. And then meron din siyang quad camera which is capable of shooting up to 108 megapixel. Then we're going to discuss that later one by one. And then water and dust resistant na siya dahil IP67 certified na ang Galaxy A73. So ito guys yung napili naming color. So it's called Awesome Mint. So there are also other variants which is the gray and yung white. So for this one yung napili namin, para siyang light green. So ito na yung look and interface ng Samsung Galaxy A73 kapag ka naka-open siya. So very bright siya kasi capable siya up until 800 nits. So kahit lumabas ka and directly sa sunlight, makikita mo pa rin yung display niya. So sa display naman guys, capable na rin to up to 120 Hz. So meron tayong option to choose yung high, and then meron din tayong standard which is capable of 60 Hz. So yung 120 Hz guys, pang flagship na siya. Like yung Note 20 Ultra and S22 Ultra, ganun din siya kabilis in terms of swiping the screen. So for the display guys, it's already Super AMOLED Plus. Kaya even if you're watching movies, super sharp and sobrang maganda yung mga videos. So for example, this one. So sa Netflix.
I bite. You search the books of fiction, F through K. Now, you're not the standard insecure nymph hunting for Faulkner you'll never finish. Too sun-kissed for Stephen King. Who will you buy? You sound apologetic, like you're embarrassed to be a good girl, and you murmur your first word to me.
Hello. Do you work here?
Guilty. Can I help you find something?
Paula.
So additional specification in terms of the display, this one is already made of Corning Gorilla Glass 5. So yung mga smartphone phone currently guys, yung mga flagship like S22 Ultra is already made of Gorilla Glass Victus or Victus Plus. Pero for a mid-range phone like A73, it's already decent to have a Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Then another specification for the display guys, yung inch niya is 6.7 and yung resolution niya is 1080 by 2400 pixel. For the storage capacity guys, for the battery, it's 5000 mAh. So kaya niya nang mag-last up to 1 or more days for normal use. For the RAM naman guys, it's 8GB. Then for the ROM, it's 128GB. Pero meron ding other variant na yung ROM niya is up to 256GB. So dito naman makikita natin yung slot niya for USB cable type C. And then nandito rin yung speaker niya, and capable din to guys itong A73 ng Dolby Atmos. So in terms of watching movies, yung mga videos, super sharp tong sound niya. So in terms of the network naman guys, it's capable of 3G, 4G LTE, and 5G ready na rin tong A73. So in terms of using the internet, napakabilis and napakadali lang din mag-download. For the camera naman guys, so meron tayong quad camera at the back. So meron tayo ditong main camera that can shoot up until 108 megapixel na merong 1.8 na aperture. Then we also have ultra wide na camera that can shoot up to 12 megapixel, and then macro and depth sensor that can shoot up to 5 megapixel. So meron din tayo dito at the back makikita na LED flash. For the selfie camera naman guys, sa front, it can shoot up until 32 megapixel. Then for the videos guys, it can shoot up to 4K, and then meron ding full HD at 30 frames per second. So isa sa mga cool feature nitong A73 guys is having Bixby. So para siyang Google Assistant that you can use using your voice command. Hi Bixby, take a screenshot. Hi Bixby, open calendar. Hi Bixby, what's the weather today?
Today in Valenzuela, it was cloudy from 12 a.m. to 1 p.m. with a high of 31 and a low of 26. From 1 p.m. to 2 p.m., it was fair, wind and 30. From 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., it is cloudy with a high of 30 and a low of 29. From 5 p.m. to 12 a.m. tomorrow, it will be stormy with lightning with temperatures between 28 and 27.
And meron din siyang features guys na pang one hand. So just in case na nalalakihan kayo sa display ng A73, you can use it para iswipe to the bottom or to left or right yung screen, and mas maliit na siya like this one. So in terms of features guys, very jam-packed itong A73. Like yung feature niya of having 108 megapixel, normally sa mga flagship phones lang siya inilalagay. And just to compare, yung Note 20 Ultra ko before, which is also Samsung, 108 megapixel din siya. Pero for A73 to have that at a cheaper price, that's very superb. So itong A73 5G, lumabas siya last March 2022 with a price of 29,990 for the 256 gigabytes variant. Then itong nakuha ko naman is 27,990 with 128 gigabytes. Then meron din siyang token na less 1,000, so nakuha ko na lang siya ng 26,990. So if you're looking guys for a high-end mid-range phone with flagship features at an affordable price, I can recommend to you the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you have comments or suggestions, just put it on the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell icon. This is Jimwell Tech Duo. See you on our next video.